Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today we've got another unboxing video. Now this is Birchbox. Birchbox is usually about £10 a month. I think it could be £8 a month. Anyway, I'll put it on the screen so you know exactly how much it is. And I've got to say that this is the March box, and to me it just looks, I love it. It just looks absolutely fantastic. I love the ladies on it and how well they have got that. Doesn't that look stunning? It looks really pretty. I like it a lot. So okay, so with Birchbox they usually give you some new products, but it's always like a sample size. That's the thing with Birchbox. Oh, my camera's going, so we'll have to hurry up. Right, so there is the card for the Birchbox month, and there is the products. Okay, I see a repeat offender in there. This maybe, is it a repeat? Oh no, it's not. It's not a repeat offender. You have rescued yourself, Birchbox. It is a dual texture scrubber. So okay, so we're just gonna have to do this quickly. It's a wing woman. There we go. And we have got an argan oil marula hair care conditioner. Oh, look at that one. Oh, okay, camera, you're doing well. And then we have got, is this a lip gloss or is it? Oh, I've been wanting one of these. It's a liquid eyeshadow. Yes, yes, oh yes. We have got one. And this is a Balance Me 99.8 Vitamin C Repair Serum. Okie doke. Oh, I love this box this month. It really is a good box. So that is the end of my box. So I will just get the card and read out to you. So it says, in April sneak peek, pick and kindar, be kind to yourself. Full-sized positivity pink, Asabe Serenity. Is this a keep an eye on your inbox? Okay, I don't know what it is. It's sneak peek though, so there we go. Right, okay, so this little item here is worth £6.95, and that is our full-sized item. This little item here is a full-sized item too, and this is worth £8. There's the price of the box there. So you're in a win-win situation if you get Birchbox. This is not a full-sized item. Jesus. The full-sized item of this is £20 and 60 pence. That's an expensive hair product. So this is a full-sized item, and we also got this, which is £14. Okie doke. Right, okie doke. Right, so this is the end of my video. It's only short this month, I know, because of my camera. Right, so if you like this video, thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. I will probably do a video and show you how I get along with this. Anyway, stay connected and press that like button. Bye bye.